Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the clutch and blade of the Thermomix TM21. In this tutorial, we will walk you through every step of the process, ensuring you have the knowledge and confidence to perform this maintenance task effectively. Before we begin, let's discuss the tools you will need. 1. A screwdriver set, specifically a Torx screwdriver for the screws on the Thermomix. 2. A pair of pliers for gripping and removing stubborn components. 3. A soft cloth for cleaning parts during the process. 4. A small brush to remove any residue inside the appliance. Now that we have our tools ready, let's start by unplugging the Thermomix TM21 to ensure safety during the repair. This is a crucial step to avoid any electrical accidents. Next, remove the mixing bowl from the base. You'll notice several screws holding the lid and the blade assembly in place. Using the Torx screwdriver, carefully unscrew these components. Be sure to keep track of each screw, as they will be needed for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the lid and set it aside. Now, we can see the blade assembly. If your blades are stuck, use the pliers to carefully wiggle them free. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs like this. With the blade assembly removed, inspect the clutch. This part is essential for the operation of the Thermomix, and any signs of wear should be addressed. If you notice significant damage, it's advisable to replace the clutch. You can find replacement parts online or consult with a professional. We provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice. To clean the internal area, take your brush and gently remove any food particles or residue. This will not only help maintain hygiene but also improve the performance of your Thermomix. A clean appliance is a well-functioning appliance. Now, let's move on to installing the new clutch and blade. Align the new clutch into its designated spot and press it down firmly. Next, take the new blade assembly and secure it in place. Make sure it fits snugly, as any loose parts can lead to malfunction. Before we reassemble the lid, let's double-check that everything is in order. Ensure all components are seated correctly and that there are no leftover screws or parts. If you need assistance, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about your appliance maintenance. Now, reattach the lid and screw it back into place using the Torx screwdriver. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten them, as this can strip the screws or damage the appliance. Finally, plug the Thermomix TM21 back in and run a test cycle to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual sounds, which can indicate a problem. If you experience any issues after your repair, don't hesitate to reach out for support. We're here to help with no calls, no travel needed for your convenience. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the clutch and blade on your Thermomix TM21. By following these steps, you've ensured your appliance is in top condition for all your culinary adventures. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.